Picture this. You meet someone for the first time, and before they even speak a word, you've made 1,000 assumptions about them. Sound familiar? This, my friends, is the powerful and often misleading world of stereotypes. And today, we're going to unpack it. So, what are stereotypes and how are they formed? Stereotypes, these simplified assumptions that we hold about different groups of people, are often there for us to make sense of the complexities of the world. They come from our brain's natural tendency to group and sort things together. But here's the catch. These stereotypes are often based on limited and biased understanding of cultures that are different from our own. And influences, they're all around us. It's the mass media, it's the family beliefs, it's the education system, it's the cultural norms. These are what influences the creation of the stereotypes. They all play a part in the formulation of this misguided and oversimplified cultural identities. Now, let's talk impact. Stereotypes shape our perceptions, guiding how we perceive, view, and interact with others. They can lead us to make snap judgments about others based on their cultural backgrounds, completely ignoring their unique identities. And when these stereotypes seep into our understanding of others, they can spark prejudice, they can spark discrimination, and even conflicts. This affects not only our personal relationships, but wider social dynamics, leading into social bias and even inequality. So how do we challenge and overcome stereotypes? It starts with self-awareness and education. One of the first steps that we can take is embracing self-awareness. We all have biases, and understanding this is a crucial starting point. It's about acknowledging that our understanding of the world is not absolute, but rather it's based on our experiences and knowledge and environment. Once we are aware of this, we can take active steps towards eliminating our prejudices. The second tool to overcome stereotypes is education. Knowledge allows us to understand different cultures in a more profound and respectful way. Read about various cultures, watch documentaries, go to cultural festivals. In this era of digital interconnectedness, the world is at our fingertips. Use that to your advantage and learn about the beautiful dynamics of human diversity. Thirdly, we need to promote open dialogue. We need to engage in conversation with people from different cultures. We need to ask questions. We need to tell stories. We need to share experiences, and most importantly, we need to listen. When we share our own stories and hear about other people's experiences, it lets us connect in various ways that puts away these stereotypes. Next, developing media literacy is crucial. The media often perpetuates stereotypes. So question what you see or read. Look for diverse sources of information. Challenge the portrayals and narratives that seem oversimplified. And finally, we have to celebrate diversity. We have to embrace and champion representation. The more we expose ourselves to different cultures and experiences, the more we foster empathy. It's about making an effort to appreciate the individuality of the people around us, rather than categorizing them based on cultural background. These steps, collectively, are our path towards breaking the cycles of the stereotypes and moving towards a more empathetic and connected world. Now, let me be clear. Breaking stereotypes is not about ignoring the differences. It's about understanding and respecting them. It's about seeing the person before the culture, the individual before the group. So the next time you find yourself slipping into the cycle of stereotypes, pause. Challenge that thought. Embrace the complexity. Because every step we take against stereotypes is a step towards unity. But before we wrap up, let me introduce myself. I'm Majid. I'm here to shed light on the invisible ties that connect us. Join me in this journey as we grow, learn, and navigate our global narratives together. And please, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Subscribe. That way you are updated as I post new videos, and you help me to deliver my message to more and more people, because there will be more messages, there will be more videos, not only on the topic of culture, but on any humanistic aspect that I think we are connected. And if you have any thoughts, if you think I did something right or wrong, please write that down on the comment section. That way I learn, because I'm new to this, but I am going to stay.